In this TruIVS tutorial, we'll be exercising the model tool. So we're going to click Add New, head over to our model tool, click Edit Model Library, and we're going to create a new model. Name this model 1, click OK. Now we're going to adjust our region of interest over our model. And we can click Train Model, and we can see our model right there. Now we click OK, again. And now number of models defined is 1. Model precision, we have highest speed, high speed, medium speed, and highest precision. We're going to choose highest speed, and timeout 2000 milliseconds. Click OK. Now we need to adjust our search region over our inspected part. Click Apply Changes, and we can see our model outlined in green. And we can see our result is 1, and we have a green status bar. If I rotate the part, we can see the model is still found. And if I rotate again, we still find the part.